look at that. Look at that. Sick. Actually, this is the best American supercar in the world, supposedly. I don't think so. The best for me one is the Hennessy Venom at 5. But we're still gonna do a Corvette because it's Corvette, right? You have to. I mean, there's some cool stuff here. I agree. Look at this. This is what a Corvette looks like. Split open in half. Look at the splits. It's pretty cool. Don't get me wrong. It's nice. American built. Very sexy. All the welds. Everything looks good. Everything looks so great. But is it the best supercar? American supercar? No, it's not. The engine's over there. We'll take a look in a minute. But yeah, so that's all they got. Oh, that's the one I wanted to see. There it is, right there. That is supposed to be the fastest American car in the world. That's what they say. Is it true? We don't know. We'll find out right now. Well, I'm not gonna drive any of these cars, but you know what I mean. Pretty cool. Let's see. The new 2025 Corvette ZR1. It looks like a Ferrari, man. It does. I'm sorry, I'm far away. I will get confused seeing this and a Ferrari 488, man. It will be almost the same shit from far away. I mean, it's cool, I guess. The wheels are cool. The wing is cool. I mean, it's a nice car. I ain't gonna say it's not. You know, and I have a hate it and love it kind of thing with Corvette. Last year I was more impressed with it. I don't know why, but this year it's like, okay, well, here it is, guys. You know, Corvette ZR1. You know, 100 and something thousand. What does it say on there? Let's see. See, 184 convertible, 174 coupe. For that, I don't know, man. It's a lot of money, dude. I think so. Although, that color is very sexy. Alright, so now we're at the greatest booth here at the auto show, my opinion. Chi-Town Exotics Car Group has the coolest selection in freaking cars. I'm like dead ass serious. Let's go check this place out. Right there. They have that. That looks so sick, man. I'm gonna go around. They got a Puro Sangue. They're really cool car. Oh my god. Sexy and they know it. And they have this guy's car. Jason's R8. See what else they got going on over here. Oh look, they have the kiddie aisle. Little kids car stuff. You can bring your kids and they can race around the track here. Oh, look at this thing. That's 6. Super fast car. Oh, look at that. Classic SLS, man. With the door wings. These doors are the coolest thing ever, man. Really one of the coolest cars ever. Super fast car, and they got the McDonald McLaren over there, the MSO. Let's go this way, see what they got going on over here. Military stuff too. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's a sick car. This McLaren is wild, dude. MSO X. That's a really cool spec for sure. And they got this thing here. My boy EJ's VRT. That is so pretty. And then of course they got the Chicago car guys her kind of there. On lifts. That is neat. Nice job on the wrap, my friend. Nice job on the wrap. Got an aerial S3. That is really cool. And they have this thing. It's supposed to be a very popular car. It's a Chrysler Interceptor 2020. That is so cool. Wow. I don't know, but if it was for me, I would take this car right here. HRA wheels on it and everything. Modified. Looking sexy and they know it. Yeah. Really cool, man. I love it. Very quiet. You know? Look at that, the Alpha all-wheel drive. That is a sick. What are your guys' thoughts?